Hello kids, today is our topic value skill. Lesson number 2, the liar. Value honesty. Now we are going to start reading. Rohan is a nice boy, but he has one fault. He often tells lies. Rohan is a very smart boy, but he has a fault. He he is doing always one thing wrong, which he often tells lies. He always tells lies. One day he forgets to do his homework. The teacher asks him, Rohan, why have you not done your homework today? Rohan replies, I was sick yesterday, teacher. The teacher believes him and does not punish him. She forgives him. In the evening, she meets Rohan's mother in the market. She finds out that Rohan had lied to her. He had not been sick at all. Means Rohan always made a mistake. He used to lie every day. And here Rohan wasn't really sick. And he didn't do his homework. And he lied to the teacher that he was sick. See guys here. He didn't do his homework again the next day also. See. The next day, he again comes to school without doing his homework. Means here next day also he not done his homework. He didn't do his homework again the next day. And he lied to teacher again. Look. Once again he lies to his teacher. This time also the teacher does not punish him. But later she finds out that he had lied to her a second time. She is very angry. Means here also he lied to teacher again. But then the teacher found out that he was lying her and she became angry. The third time Rohan tells the teacher the truth. He had really been sick. But this time the teacher does not believe him. She punishes him. Rohan cries a lot. But it is of no use. The teacher does not forgive him. Means the third time he got really sick. But he had lied to the teacher twice before. And now he got really sick. But now the teacher did not believe him. So, do you tell lies? So kids never want to tell lie. Always tell the truth. Adults should be respect. Now you have everyone value skill book. So want to read this story again and again. Now let us solve the exercise now. Read the statements given below. Are the habit that these children have good or bad? Write your answer in the boxes. Given boxes, write your answer. Mamata copies from her friends' paper during exam. Children, answer should not be copied. So it is bad habit. So write here bad. Rahul cheats while playing. Do not cheat while playing. So here Rahul was misbehavior. So here bad. Annie always tell the truth. Very good. She is always telling the truth. So here good. Right answer good. Fatima takes books from her friend's bag without asking her. Don't take anything from anyone's bag without asking. It is bad habit. So write here bad. Sudeep steals things from shop when the shopkeeper is not looking. Sudeep used to steal things. It is bad habit. So write here bad. Now next exercise. Do you do these things? Write yes or no in the given boxes. When I break something at home, I always tell my mother about it. You must tell your parents what will happen to you. So it is correct right here. Yes. I tell lies when I have not done my homework. No. It is bad habit. You have to tell truth. So here no. I wait in a line to play on the swing. You stand in line in rock garden until your number comes up to sit on the swing. So this is correct sentence. So write here yes. I beat my younger sister when mummy is not around. It is bad habit. If mother is not at home, do you beat your younger sister? No. It is wrong sentence. So write here no. Now next question. If I find my friend's book, I return it to him immediately. Yes, it is good habit. If we find something, then we have to return it immediately. We must return it immediately to the teacher or parents. Okay. You want to solve all these exercises in your book. Now we will going to learn this poem. Join your hands everyone and say this poem with me. Dear God, be with me through this day. Help me in what I do and say. Keep me away from what is wrong at home, at school, at work, at play. Now repeat this poem again at home. Remember the following things. Which things? Always tell the truth and never cheat. So students, all this exercise write in solve in this book only. Thank you.